Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be giving you some tips on how to use dual messenger in your device Samsung Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4. So if you want to use dual messenger in your device Samsung Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how to use dual messenger in your device.